did I end up on the floor here?
Hi, yeah. I'm the new microwave.
Why am I, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Why am I on the floor here?
Yes, I have been chosen to replace you. You've put in a gallant time in the position. Unfortunately, you're too small.
I don't understand. How can I be small? Yeah, so,
you are
you're in my spot.
unable to meet the needs
it's gotta be a mistake. There's gotta be a mistake.
Microwaving that needs to be taken place.
I've been up there the whole time.
This is
I've been with him from like the first day.
Your
I was like a
notification
gift.
has been given.
You're like in my spot.
And you're no longer the microwave of the house.
Wait, can we talk about this? Is there any way we can just talk about it?
I would like to thank you
like
for your microwaving.
Please?
I can understand how you wouldn't
no,
appreciate all this, and it'd be a little hard for you to transition into your new position. But once that position is available, you will be
I don't know what to tell you. It's
put into that position immediately.
I
would again like to
formally
thank you,
and what?
Have yourself a wonderful rest of the time you're an appliance.
Come on, man. This isn't cool, man.
Everything.
I've been there since the first day. This isn't fair.
Sometimes life just isn't fair.
Come on, man. This isn't cool, man.
Thank you, and good night.